In most cities, the ground floor is zero. Here, the ground floor might be the roof of another world.
They said it was impossible to build a city here. They were wrong. They looked at these raging rivers and vertical mountains.
And they said it was impossible to build a city here. Step 1, the stilt. Every structure begins with a wooden leg in the mud. The city's secret. 1.5 million square meters of tunnels for foundations.
The machines arrive. The era of hand labor ends.
Surveying. If you hit a hidden cave while building, the skyscraper sinks. This bit ate 100 meters of limestone a day.
Reinforcement. Before you go up, you must lock the mountain in place.
The crane. The most important tool in the 8D kit. Without it, the city stops at the cliff's edge.
High-altitude winds can snap a crane in half. The skeleton. Steel gives the concrete its flexible strength. Efficiency. In 1982, we perfected the slip form. Now, the building doesn't wait for the concrete to dry. The human cost. Long before advanced harnesses, the Spider-Men of the Yangtze built this city with nothing but hemp rope and iron will. Hydraulics. Defying gravity with sheer pressure. We no longer carry the stone.
We pump it into the sky. Precision. In the 8D world, a 1 centimeter error at the base
becomes a 1-meter disaster at the top. The city's true strength is invisible. In Chongqing,
The foundations are often deeper than the buildings are tall. 1992.
no one had ever spanned a kilometer here without a center pillar. Step 2, dry the river, build a wall and dig.
The mole. Carving subways for the next 5 years. The link is made. Chongqing is no longer an island.
Check level 4, near the ridgeline. Confirmed, logging the coordinates now.
Each level must support the weight of the next.
I'm on level 3, and there's still 2 stories of road above me. Precision lifting.
These segments are the road's spine.
Chongqing's heat expands the road. It needs to breathe. The highest road in the city. Level 5 is complete. The cerebellum of Chongqing. 8 directions, 20 ramps. The bridge between the ground and the sky is finally open. The spiral. 720 degrees to solve a 40-meter drop. We can't go through the cliff, so we'll spin our way to the bottom. The pivot. This single column is the spine of the entire descent. Building without supports. The road holds itself up.
It's like building a roller coaster for commuter cars. 2 full circles just to get home for dinner.
The descent is ready. 2 full circles. Safety first, you don't want to fly off this curve.
8D geometry in motion. Step 3, the portal. No land to stop on. Sealing the mountain to prevent rock falls.
You're on a bridge 1 second and inside a cliff the next. In Chongqing, the shortest distance between 2 points
is a hole in the mountain, turning night into day. Inside the rock, we create our own sun.
The mountain is no longer a barrier. It's a road. In Chongqing, wasted space is a sin.
There's a traffic jam 40 meters above my head. Welcome to the world's most industrial living room, the shadow economy. In a city this dense, we don't let the darkness go to waste.
Is 8D efficiency. Step 5. 2 worlds on one bridge. One for the rubber, one for the rail.
The wind from this train is enough to knock you over. This isn't just a bridge, it's a high-velocity wind tunnel.
Finishing the dual-purpose structure. The road is ready.
Security on the Sky Road. We build the view. Then we build the protection.
300,000 people cross this structure every day. Some see the sky, others see the steel. Both get home on time. The bridge is complete, a monument to the impossible. But the road doesn't end here. Chongqing is too steep for steel. In a city built on 45-degree slopes, traditional trains are useless. We need grip.
To anchor a station on a cliff edge, we drill.
Building a station inside a living room. In most cities, this is a conflict. In Chongqing, it's the only logical conclusion.
Decoupling the rail from the house. 150 rubber hearts to keep the neighbors from feeling the pulse.
Right now, this is a void, a hole in someone's home. Soon, it's a transit artery.
How to build a bridge without a crane. You build a machine that walks across the clouds. 0.1 millimeter tolerance. In a city of mountains, there is no room for error.
Slow down, watch the balcony. A little more to the left. Yes. It's clear now, keep going.
The machine walks across the sky. We are building a road where there is no earth to hold it.
It's 3 in the morning. We're suspended by a few bolts and a lot of math. Down there is the city.
The points are 20-ton concrete slabs moving like silk. In this ballet, a single millimeter of error is not an option. The green dragon of Chongqing. It doesn't fight the mountain. It flows with it.
The mountain has been conquered, not with a tunnel, but with a thread of light.
Now, we go down, 94 meters down. To build in Chongqing, you don't just climb the sky, you have to conquer the abyss. Step 2, the vertical commute. To move thousands of people 30 stories up, we aren't just building stairs, we're building a mechanical mountain.
That's the pressure. We just climbed 30 stories in 40 seconds. Welcome to Hongtudi. Better call ahead if you're meeting someone. It takes 10 minutes just to get out of the station.
The city is getting a brain.
Step 3, the AI takes the wheel. We are removing the human variable to make room for absolute precision.
No driver, just 5G and a lot of faith in the algorithm. The city is officially driving itself.
The nervous system of the metropolis. Here, the city doesn't just run, it thinks.
Next train in 30 seconds. The pulse of the city never stops.
Phase 4, hanging a palace on a cliff. Before we build up, we have to anchor deep into the mountain's bones. Step 1, the bone. Steel meets ancient stone. These anchors are the only thing keeping the palace from sliding into the river.
There are 2,000 of these across this cliff. This single bolt is holding up 100 tons of building.
The shelf, creating land where there is none. We are extending the city over the edge of the world.
Ancient tech meets modern steel. To build a palace of wood on a foundation of iron, we return to the source.
They're building a palace in the sky with 14th century joints. It's a paradox.
The skin of the dragon, 50,000 clay tiles, fired in ancient kilns, modern speed inside an ancient shell.
To make the cliff accessible, we hid a machine in the heart of the timber. Hongya Cave is born.
A vertical wonder that honors the past while defying the laws of gravity. It feels like the Ming Dynasty, but we're hanging on steel bolts.
A 600-year-old dream held up by 21st century physics. Step 3, the glow. To turn this cliff into an icon, we're wiring it.
With 50,000 points of light. The computer that turns the cliff into gold. Every single bulb is a pixel in a 12-story masterpiece.
Look at it. In this light, the steel and concrete disappear. This isn't architecture anymore.
The 8D postcard. In Chongqing, the ground is wherever you happen to be standing.
In any other city, you take the elevator up to the 11th floor. In Chongqing, you walk off the sidewalk to get there. Ground floor is at the top. Welcome to Chongqing.
The heart of the 8D city, a building that never sleeps, breathing with the rhythm of the river and the pulse of the digital age.
Ready for the big one? We're going to Raffles City. Phase 5 starts now.
Phase 5, the horizontal skyscraper. Before we can build into the clouds, we have to anchor ourselves deep into the peninsula.
We're going up 250 meters, 4 meters per second, straight up the spine of the tower.
Bring it down easy now. Hold it right there, hold it. We need another foot to the left.
The 4 pillars are ready, waiting for the one piece that will turn them into a single organism. Step 2, gravity's final stand. 3,000 tons of steel, currently anchored to the earth.
It's like watching a mountain being pulled into the sky.
No stopping until it reaches the 250-meter mark.
The 5 buildings are now one, no longer separate towers, but a single, massive organism reaching across the sky.
Step 3, the skin. 3,000 panels of curved glass are about to transform this steel spine into a transparent jewel.
It's 10 centimeters thick. I think I'm safe. Mostly.
A forest in the clouds. This isn't just a walkway, it's a living conservatory.
The horizontal skyscraper is complete. A miracle of engineering that changed the skyline of Chongqing forever.
The city is finished, for now. But Chongqing never really stops growing. Let's see what the future holds. Ground delivery is So 2024.
Why wait in traffic when the sky is wide open?
Future tech, frictionless transit. By 2030, we stopped fighting gravity and started using it to move.
Feeding 30 million people from the sides of skyscrapers. In 2030, every building is a lung and a pantry.
By 2030, we stopped building passive shells. Every surface is now a battery, drinking the sun to power the machine below.
2,000 years of building on stilts to stay above the floods. It all led us to this. Chongqing is the proof that man can live anywhere if he just looks up.
Hit subscribe. Our next journey starts now.